the next day. So guys, yesterday, man, what do we kind of finish off with? So I found out I ran out of vinyl. Major yikes. So had to end up ordering more. So just a quick, oh, hang on a second. Let me talk. So yeah, so right here, you guys see this? I got a heat gun, blasting heat right now. So I found out that my carpet a little bit is damp. So I don't know how. There's a hole right there in the floor. There's a grommet that goes there. So I'm thinking that maybe that was a little bit dislodged. But let me turn this off for the time being. That's better. So I originally bought 45 feet 45 feet of vinyl to wrap the car. Not enough, so I actually ordered another 20 feet. So we'll have a total of 65 feet, so that should be enough to wrap a car if you guys are interested. Also, Ryan killed it with this exhaust. Looks absolutely brand new. Thank you, my dude. Did a really good job, if it'll focus. Appreciate you, my guy. Probably gonna go ahead and hit the rest with like some black paint or something just to clean it up. Did 400, 800, 1500, and a bit of Mother's aluminum polish, or you know, metal polish. So killer. So next up on the list, you guys see we got the I just filled up, well, I got some gas. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this thing still fires up, starts, runs, all good to go, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, that will solve our window issue. So let's fire this thing up. It's gonna be really loud, by the way. It's gonna be stupid loud. So I gotta connect the drive shaft because I believe it's gonna wanna rotate on its own. So let's just do that. I bet, dude. I bet. I'm gonna go get my jump pack. I'll be right back. I gotta go back to my place though, which kind of a bummer, but hey, I knew it too. God damn. My man. Yes, look who it is. So, I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and rob the battery as well. You know? Just in case. This car's a mess inside. It literally has not been messed with since I got back from Vegas, from SEMA. So, yes sir. I gotta find this jump pack. Man, there's just a bunch of crap in here, huh? This is like a power inverter. Don't need that. Here it is. Wait, yep. Somewhere. Okay, well here are the leads. It's like going fishing, dude. There it is. Is she alive? Hell yeah. Fully charged. This thing is awesome, by the way. Rad little device, man. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this battery, and we'll be on our way. Try and stay warm. I miss you. God, I feel like a part of me is missing, man. You know. So I'm just so like, just ready to get this Lexus on the road because, man, I feel lost like without a car. Well, not lost, but you know what I mean. Like it's just like a weird feeling not having your own car again after just having your own for a while. So I'm gonna get the trash bin thing. Alright, we're back, and dude, it actually turns out that I think this battery actually is originally from this car. So I don't know how and when these two got switched, but they did. But let's go ahead and pop this on. I think that's doing its thing, and then we're just gonna go in here and try and start this thing again, I guess. Oh my god, it's loud! Holy hell! The traction off, that's flashing. God damn, this thing is noisy, bro. Yikes. Oh yeah, moment of truth, right? Moment of truth. Hang on, do the windows work? Literally none of them work still. Nothing. Like, they don't go down. Look, this rear one, nothing. Now, all of a sudden, auto down on driver's side, auto down. Right? Now auto up. Here we go. Auto up. Look at that. What the hell, man? This thing is like actually oddly silent now. It's kind of weird. I can now like speak in a very normal tone to you guys. So just gonna wait for the heat to become actually warm. So does this vent not work? Oh, okay, there we go. Just had it blocked off. So wait for the heat to get warm, and I guess we'll shut her down. But I'm upset about the windows. I don't know what this is all about now. It's doing some weird thing. So if you guys have any input on that, yeah, man, good fun stuff, and it really doesn't get me anywhere still, because now I cannot roll my windows down to get the trim off. So, boy, oh boy. Hell yeah. This is funny, man. So, yeah, it's the motor though. I mean, it's super silent. You just hear the injectors ticking away. But as far as the actual engine, everything sounds pretty damn good to me. We'll do an oil change on her. You know? Alright, so I think I found something, well, I found out something pretty awesome. Let's just put it that way. First off, my radiator cap, I think that's busted. Oh god. But I mean, as you guys can see, it looks like something has broken off on the top. So gonna try and source a new one of those. However, we have bigger problems than that. If you look at my radiator, you probably won't be able to tell, but yeah, you can see a crack right there, right in the middle of your screen, right there. So yes sir, that's currently what I'm dealing with right now. So now I gotta probably get a whole new radiator, and man, I'm just over like putting money into this thing. Yeah, because I couldn't get any pressure to build in the actual radiator hoses, nor could I get heat. So that basically is probably the reason why, because I'm also using a coolant pressure tester. Basically what this is I've got this right here, and you put it in, and hang on, let me get it all situated. So that's like up against the radiator, you know what I mean, the cap. And then you take this little attachment thing here, pop it on like so, and you pump this up. One second. You know, you pump it up, but you can hear it's leaking. You know, right at the radiator cap. So that's telling me that crack is actually causing the system to not seal properly. So I'm just, yeah, you know, this thing is really testing me. I really don't at this time have much money to put into this thing, so it's just one of those things where it's just, man, it's been one thing after another with this car, and you know, I'm trying to stay positive, but man, lately this thing has kind of been just fighting me, like with the doors, or the windows should I say. Now this, you know, this is just kind of a pain, but hey, it is what it is, I guess. We gotta fix it, you know, because we need a car. So, alright guys, so we have made a bit of progress. I have switched the harnesses from the old doors to the new doors, and guess what? The windows now work. This one works, operates fine. As you guys can see, I have the rear windows open, and they're working pretty good. However, we do have one problem. The passenger front window still does not work. WTF, man. Thought we had this figured out here. So, I mean, God, if you guys have any ideas, but we have another huge issue that I just found. So, this is just good. I'm walking around, right? Sorry, but dude, the mess in here is killing me. So, and then I see this. I'm like, okay, what? Keep walking, and then I pull this wheel out from under the car. There's coolant on the wheel. So I'm like, dude, what the hell is happening, right? Like, it's under the car down here, like nowhere remotely near where the engine is, way back here. I don't have a rear mount radiator, so I'm like, this ain't normal. So if we come down here, you guys can see we have a bit of a trail. A bit of a trail, right? And if we come inside the car, right? Hang on, I'll show you guys something pretty cool here. Open this door. See if I can get you in here. I mean, that carpet right in the center of your screen way back here, like back there, is soaked in coolant. I don't know if it shows up on camera well. The floor is soaked in coolant. So I think our heater core or something behind the dash is cracked or broken or something, because obviously coolant is not supposed to be under the car. Well, I guess under your carpet for that matter. And for that reason, I was also wondering like why the carpet was wet on the driver's side, and I'm like, what's going on here? That's why I was trying to dry it. You guys saw. And this is probably the reason why. So good times, man. Good times. I was able to order a new radiator for like 60 bucks, so at least that was cheap, but passenger window still doesn't work. Now I gotta rip the whole carpet and the dash out to get to the heater core. Woo, man, this is just, it's piling up, man. It's just one of those things where I just don't even really want to deal with it, but hey, if I don't do it, who else is gonna, you know? So it's one of those things you kind of gotta roll with the punches, man, and keep on trucking. So I have the front raised up too, that was, you know, trying to bleed it. That's why it's so monster trucky, but damn. Okay, well, it is very, very late. Much time has passed, and well, the car is well, the dash is right here. First of all, the car has been in a better condition. Yeah, man, so this just really sucks, man. I'm really just to get to the heater core itself is an absolute mission. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we got going on over here. So I drained the coolant, even though a lot of it came out inside of my car. There's our puddle right there. So if we come in here, I'll show you guys really quick. So I watched the video and read a forum write-up on how to remove a dash. So if you guys are interested in that, I really did not want to make a whole video about that because I personally myself did not know, and it would have taken way too long of time in the video to explain it. So the dash is out. I also removed the blower mode. Well, yeah, got it out the way. So the heater core is right there. So obviously the leak was at that lower fitting down there. You can kind of see that orange part. But so basically what I did, I just cut the lines themselves because the new core comes with brand new lines anyway. So just to try and see if I could remove the core, and honestly that old girl is in there. So I ordered one. I ordered a new heater core, new radiator. You know, we've came this far and whatever, but you know, we kind of got to finish this thing off now. It really sucks, but hey, god damn it, that really sucks too. Oh, brother, I'm done for today, man. I'm punching out, man. Got this all sanded. Who cares though, right? So, I mean, yeah, a lot of random stuff going down in this video. Gonna get this all uploaded up for you guys for some content, and then I'm gonna keep grinding away at this thing. You know, hopefully next time you guys see it'll be all wrapped. Well, next video we'll get it completely wrapped up, and hopefully everything will be back up and running. We got brakes, new calipers on the way because mine were just super rusted out, and I just did not want to deal with them because repainting those would have been an absolute pain. So yeah, that's kind of it for today, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, not really too sure. It's probably all over the place, but hey, it is what it is. We're kind of out here. I'm grinding, man. I'm doing what I can, doing the best with what I got around here. So, hey, we're trying to make it happen, right? Texas is coming up pretty soon, so excited about that. But as far as today, I'll see you guys later. Staying positive, man. You know. Peace.